To use System Cloner on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and then we'll be able to find security and privacy, and on the bottom of this page there's System Cloner. If you enter it, click on Get Started and then you will need to enter your current password for the phone. After that, you will need to set up new password that you will use to access the system clone. So this is my original password for the original system, and let's do something like this for the clone. Now our system clone is basically already set up. We can enroll a fingerprint for the system clone as well, but I'm gonna skip it. You can enter system clone through here if you like, but you can also enter it with different methods. So in this case, this is my original password. If I enter it, I'll be able to enter my original system. If I lock my device and then enter the other password that we've created, I'll be able to enter the clone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.